Omwaka guhwire Ministry y'Amaizi n'Obuhangwa itage lya Albert barukwerwaho aba Conrad Enilton Foundation bakatandika ehuriro y'okugarizaho hekiteya 800 z'ekibiro muri Ibanda kandi hari ezo 40 zikabyarwa hari kitanda omugomborera ya Rukiri. Entebekanisa zo kubyara emiti ezi nizimwe entebekanisa obwa Uganda eri kwetebekanisa zo kwegita hansi yona okujaguza ekiro ky'obuhangwa ekiri kujaguzibwa buri 5 kwa mukaga buri mwaka.
Kakaritango eitugenderire nkitwe Ministry of Water and Environment eyo kugarraho 180 hectares in the 3 years biterizo batwaronkinga phase yitu ya kabiro muri Ibanda etwine karitango yo kugarraho hectares 9 tukubyara emiti both amataka g'abantu hamwe na naga institutions like churches.
Ehurreje tongozibwa hari mutukura umurukiri kandi emiti neje kubyarwa amataka ga government hamwe n'agabatura.
So as the sector celebrates this day, we are trying to echo in the community the importance of them participating in conserving the environment.
Okuchondozo kwakozirwe 19 Uganda kabe n'ekibira birukwingana hekiteya miliyoni 4.55 kandi 2025 hakaba hasigiraho miliyoni 2.37 kiri kumanyisa ngo Uganda eri akuferwa hekiteya 3.8 buri mwaka.
We are encouraging communities to plant more trees. Let them not cultivate in wetlands and riverbanks. Let them protect the riverbanks that passes within their communities. And also to encourage them to reflect that if you are to maybe cut a tree, how many have you planted?
Okutongoza oku kwetabirwa mwabebembezi ba district ya Ibanda kandi behanangiriza abatura okwejumbira omuhururu yo kugarizaho obuhangwa bwensi.
Ober twaronkingo kubyara emiti kandi emitejo nebyarwa aba Ministry of Water and Environment omurusozi rwitu orwarukiri. Bweni nyenda kusaba abataka kurebeka ngashuwa ngwije emitejo twabyara emitejo mwagireberera emitejo mwajukuma
kandi ushanga twakuma muhangwa mbyaro kuruya sakwa tweri hanga ryona kutunga mizi marungi kutunga enjure eri kumara abo kuba imiti ni kuretera enjure yabaho yagumaho so nabo bari abantu beyongire mu nsomo twenda kumanya ngo imiti yacenera ninga yahoho itutsakwaho akanza kurwara indwara zitari zimwe na zimwe.
Abatura batungire project eji enyumaho nebasima entebekanisa ezi bagumize ngo niza kuba yamba cyango
ati kaba twokuteretera emiti kaba turetire emiteji ne kuma ebyo buhangwa.
Amakuraga gashakwa Timothy Mushabe omuri Ibanda.